Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Smart Educational Hub. Today we are going to learn one of the most important topic in English grammar, which is preposition of time. So, in preposition of time, we will study today in, on and at. Many English learners get confused about in, on and at, right? So but don't worry. After watching this video, you will exactly know when to use in, on and at with lots of easy examples. So watch till the end and learn something new today. Now what is the preposition of time? Do you know what is the preposition of time? No? Then listen. A preposition of time tells us when something happens. The three most common preposition of time are in, on and at. So each one is used for different kinds of time. Let's learn them one by one. We use in for long period of time. Right? We use in for long period of time, just like ear, ears. For example, for example, I was born in 2010. Similarly, we will travel in 2026. So we use in for long period of time, right? We will use in with years. Similarly, we use in for months, right? And as you know, we use in for years, months, and the period of time, long periods of times, right? Just like 2026, July, and 3 months, right? Similarly, my birthday, my birthday is in July. My birthday is in July, right? My birthday is in July. So we will use in for long period of time. Just like flowers, flowers bloom in spring season. Flowers bloom in spring season. Next one is I study in the morning. We will use in for the parts of a day, just like I study in the morning. We will use in for season, just like flowers bloom in the spring season. We will use in, we can say that in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but not in night. We say at night, right? Not in night. So I study in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Similarly, we use on. We use on for the specific days and dates, right? For example, for example, I go to school on Monday. I go to school on Monday. Similarly, my exam is on 7th August. And for special days, we can say that we meet my family on Eid. Same as it is. If days and like morning, afternoon, evening, then we will also use on with that. Like, I will visit you on Monday morning. Okay, I will visit you on Monday morning. So when we will use on in the sentence? When? Before day names, before date, and before any special days. We will use on with that, right? We use at for exact times. For example, we use at for exact times. For example, school starts at 8 a.m. Right? Similarly, I sleep at night. For midnight and noon, we will use at. So the party ended at midnight. The party ended at midnight. If any meal time, then we will also use at. Just like we talk at breakfast. At breakfast. So when we will use at, then we will use at for exact time, right? So we will use at for exact time, for a particular time, and for a specific time and meal time, we will use at. Remember these simple rules. For example, in, we will use in for long time, just like year, month, season, and century. But on, we will use on for one day, just like Monday, Friday, birthday, holiday. And at for exact time, just like 9, 5 o'clock, noon, midnight, night. So very simple way to remember this. In, we will use for big time period, on for a smaller time period, and at for exact time. So this is a simple way to remember these prepositions of time. Examples are here for solving this preposition of time. For example, my birthday is dash July. On, at, or in. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? In July, right? Now question number 2. The meeting starts dash 9 a.m. In, on, or at. So the answer will be at 9 a.m. right? Question number 3. We have a holiday dash Monday. In, on, or at. What we will use before Monday? We have a holiday dash Monday. On Monday, right? Yes, the correct answer is on Monday. Similarly, I usually sleep dash night. Question number 4 is I usually sleep dash night. In, at, or on. So at night, right? What we will use with night? We will use at with night. So I usually sleep at night. Question number 5. Now, question number 5. She will finish the course dash 3 months. In, on, or at. She will finish the course dash 3 months. The answer will be in 3 months, right? So these were the examples of preposition of time. You have to solve these examples and give your answer in the comment section. So note down this chart and you can take a snapshot for this picture, which will help you to use at, in or on without any confusion. We will use at the cafe, at noon, at the gate, at midnight, at the moment, at the top, at a party, and at home. Similarly, we will use in the car, in the park, in the box, in April, in the 1920s, in a good mood, in danger, and in summary. Similarly, we will use on with, on the desk, on the plane, on fire, on sale, on the phone, on Tuesday, on a journey, or on display. So this will help you to use in, on, and at, or this preposition of time without any confusion. So note down and take a screenshot of this picture. I hope this lesson helped you to understand preposition of time. Now tell me in the comment, which preposition do you find most confusing, in, on, or at? If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Smart Education Hub for more easy English grammar lessons. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning. Bye-bye.